Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the Honor 400 series smartphones with us. In this video I'm going to perform the unboxing of the Honor 400. I will make a separate video for Honor 400 Pro. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here you can see that we got this very minimalistic looking box for Honor 400 5G. We got this nice golden effect on the text. It comes with 8GB RAM, 512GB storage, and the color variant is golden. This is a dual SIM smartphone and it is not for sale because this is a special review unit. So let's open it and let's see what we got inside. So here is the Honor 400 5G in golden color. Here we got a SIM card tray ejector pin and there is a USB Type-C cable. As you can see, it does not come with a charger and a case in the retail box here because this is the European version we got here of Honor 400 5G. But if you are watching this video from the Middle East or some other region, then in your retail box you will also find the case as well as the charger. And since this is a special review unit, there are no warranty card, user manuals, etc. provided, but does not matter in which region you are. If you buy Honor 400, then of course you will get all of those stuff for sure. So here is Honor 400 5G in golden color. Let's switch it on. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our device here. So as you can see, the setup is already done by Honor. That's pretty nice. So we are good to go with our device. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So talking about the design and build quality, on the front side we got a 6.55-inch display with minimal bezels. As you can see, the bezels all around the screen, the side bezels, top bezel and the bottom bezel are quite thin, providing an edge-to-edge visual experience. The Honor 400 5G is just 7.3mm thick and it weighs 184 grams. So it's quite lightweight, pretty slim as well, considering the fact that we got a 5300 mAh battery in this. At the top center of the display there is a punch hole where you will find front facing camera. At the top we got the speaker grill that is connected with the earpiece that is placed right above the front facing camera in this tiny slit here. Then we got an IR blaster, secondary microphone. At the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, the SIM card tray slot. On the left side there is nothing and on the right side we got the power button along with volume rocker. The display is totally flat as you can see, and the same goes with the back panel as well. It is flat on every corner. At the bottom we got the Honor branding, some regulatory information, and at the top left corner we got the camera island where you will find the rear camera setup. The camera island looks quite beautiful and premium because of the smooth curves and edges, and the overall back panel design is quite minimalistic. This is the golden color option, but at different angle it looks a bit different. For example, now it is looking a bit greenish, silverish, a bit grayish, a bit golden. So depending on the angle at which the light is falling on the back panel, it will give the impression of a different color. It comes with IP65 water and dust resistance, and we got SGS 5-star durability for drop protection. We got an in-display fingerprint sensor. So in terms of design build quality, the Honor 400 5G is a pretty solid smartphone. In its price segment, it looks very beautiful because of the huge screen to body ratio, a very beautiful minimalistic premium looking back panel and camera design, slim and lightweight body, and good enough all around durability. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.55-inch OLED display with 2736 x 1264 pixels resolution. So the PPI you will get is 460. We got 1.07 billion color reproduction along with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut support. Because of this, the display quality of Honor 400 5G is quite impressive. It is very sharp, colors are vibrant, you won't see any pixelation, and you will enjoy all kinds of content on the display of the Honor 400 5G. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 5000 nits. It comes with Honor Eye Comfort display where you will find plenty of useful features like the circadian night display, defocus eye care, eye comfort, dynamic dimming, 3840 Hz ultra high frequency PWM dimming. We got the ultra night mode that reduces the display brightness up to 1.5 nits to provide less fatigue to your eyes while using the device in low light situation. It also comes with motion sickness that reduces the motion sickness caused in moving vehicle when you are using the device in your car or somewhere, and because of the frequent turns and the motion of the car, sometimes you feel a bit dizzy, and this feature helps in reducing that feeling. It also comes with Rain Touch technology, so even if the display got some water on it or your hands are wet, you will still be able to use the device and the touch screen of Honor 400 without facing any issue. And at 120 Hz refresh rate, you can see that the display of Honor 400 5G is very smooth. Talking about the hardware, the Honor 400 comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3. We got 8GB RAM, and with the Honor RAM Turbo you can extend it as well for better multitasking and user experience. We got 5300 mAh silicon carbon battery with 66 watt fast charging, and it comes with 512GB storage, out of which 479.86GB is user available storage once you start using the device. So nearly 32GB is occupied by the ROM and pre-installed application. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 15 with Magic OS 9 that is very feature rich, comes with plenty of options and settings that you can use to improve your user experience on this device, and you can also improve your productivity by using all of these nice and interesting features we got here on our Honor 400 5G. But this time it also comes with plenty of AI based features that you will find under the Honor AI section. So as you can see that it comes with Magic Text, Magic Portal, AI Subtitles, AI Translate, AI Writing, AI Deepfake Detection, and we also got plenty of image editing and multimedia content creation options and features on Honor 400 5G. For example, the image to video feature that converts an image into a video, moving photo collage that you can use to make images more cinematic. Then we got the AI eraser that removes any unwanted object from the pictures, and it also removes the glares etc. on the images. Then we got the AI cutout that allows you to cut, copy, paste an object or something from a picture to another image, and then you can use the eyes open. If somebody's eyes are closed in the picture, then you can make them open using this new feature here. So as you can see, plenty of AI related stuff we got here on our Honor 400 5G smartphone. So this is quite impressive that Honor is providing all of these smart AI based features on Honor 400 5G that you will usually find on flagship smartphones. Talking about the camera, we got a 50 megapixel front facing camera, and on the rear we got 200 megapixel primary camera with optical image stabilization and a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens that can also be used for the macro photography. So as you can see, there is no dedicated telephoto lens provided on our Honor 400 5G that is especially available for the Honor 400 Pro model. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that in the photo mode it comes with HDR. Here you can see that we got the moving photo option, we got the watermark, aspect ratio, filters, timers, lots of stuff we got here. If you tap on this, you can get the access to some of the photo profiles, whether to go with the vibrant or authentic or natural. You can go to the portrait mode, and here you can see that it comes with the level of bokeh. We got the options for the beautification. If you tap on this once again, here you can see that it comes with the hardcore portrait modes. So we got vibrant, color, and the classic, and then we got the film simulation where you will find 6-7 filters for the portrait imaging. So once again, you got plenty of options for the portrait photography. In the photo mode, you can see we got the option for the 2x and 4x toggle, but this is going to be the digital or in-sensor zoom because there is no dedicated telephoto lens. We got the dedicated night mode. Once again, the night mode is available for the wide angle camera as well. If you go to video, you can see that you can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 FPS. So you cannot record 60 FPS video in 4K resolution. For that, you will have to switch back to 180 or full HD resolution. It also comes with the beautification, but if you turn on the beautification, then you can see that the FPS is switching back to 30 FPS, so you can record beautified video only at full HD resolution with 30 FPS frame rate. Then we got the Pro mode where you can make various changes in different imaging parameters And if you go to more, you can see that we got the aperture mode for creating depth of field in the images. We got the multi-video mode where the front camera and rear camera record the video simultaneously to give different perspective and point of view. We got the slow motion, panorama, time lapse stickers. Super macro mode is provided as well because the wide angle camera can be used for macro photography as well. Then we got the high res mode, story mode, and the scan document. So as you can see, we got plenty of options and features when it comes to imaging on our Honor 400. We will see how good the performance of the camera is going to be in our future videos. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. But right now, just wanted to give you a quick idea about the hardware and what are the features we got here in the camera app of Honor 400. So overall, the Honor 400 is looking a pretty solid smartphone in its price segment, as it comes with nice build quality, a very beautiful and premium looking design, a gorgeous display, huge battery with 66 watt fast charging, 512 GB storage, and a very promising looking camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of the Honor 400 5G will be uploaded very soon on this channel, like the gaming review, camera review, comparison with other smartphones, benchmarking test score results, etc. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.